Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Andrea. I'm currently in the ninth semester of International Trade Program to the Universidad Popular del Cesar. Today, I have the pleasure to present you my simulation project for the International Logistics Management course. The main objective of this project is to describe the entire logistic and the production process of the product core. Starting for the industrial zone of Valledupar, continue leaving Colombia through the port of Santa Marta and finally arriving to the port of Miami. The production process of the coal have three main steps or processes. The first one is the breakout process, the second one is the separation process, and finally we have the extraction process. These processes are connected by three workers, which are two transporters and a one conveyor belt. Now I show you how the model works. Okay, as you can see, this is the breakup process. This is the moment when the soil needs to be break in order to get the two products, the coal and also the steel material. This process is connected by the separation process by a conveyor belt. When the products arrive in the separation process, the the steel material needs to be transferred by a transporter 1 to a queue when the product will be transferred in another product or used to another function. After that, the same transporter 1, transport the coal to the extraction process. And finally, when the product is ready, the transporter 2 transport this product to the industrial zone of Valledupar. When the product arrives to the industrial zone of Valledupar, this means that the production process has been finished. So after that, we start the process to the logistic transport. If you can see, the truck is loaded in this moment, and by this truck, the products will be transferred to the Santa Marta port. Now I show you a video for the Santa Marta port.
Santa Marta, la perla del Caribe colombiano. 500.000 de habitantes se mueven a diario en medio de un clima seco, rodeados por la exuberante Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. El mar siempre ha sido la gran puerta para el desarrollo de la ciudad más antigua de Sudamérica, y el puerto marítimo de Santa Marta, su mejor aliado. El puerto es un terminal logístico multipropósito que se divide en tres grandes terminales. Terminal de contenedores, terminal de granel, carga general y vehículos, y terminal de carbón. En menos de 15 minutos,
Okay, as you can see, these four have three main terminals, but the most important for us, for our product, is the terminal of core. So now I continue with the explanation. When the product arrives in the Santa Marta port, in this moment, the product needs to be loaded in a ship in order to be transported for the Miami port. That's Miami port. As you can see in this moment, the ship is in the trip in order to transport the product. This is all. That's all. Sorry for the production and logistic process to the transport for the coal. Now I explain you the final statistic of this process. As you can see, we have three dashboards. The first one is the distance and between the industrial zone of Valledupar to Santa Marta port and also the Santa Marta port to the port of Miami. And if you can see, the ship have more distance than the truck. After that, we have the content. The content is the quantity that the transporters transport by a trip. This is mean that the truck have 127 products and the ship had 102 products. And finally, we have the output dashboard. This is the quantity of products that output of these queues. Santa Marta Port has Santa Marta Port had 1,000 228, and Industrial Center of Valledupar had 1,631. That's all for today, and I hope that you understand my explanation and enjoy this explanation. Bye bye.